Hi, my name is Simon Barrett with Silverline Tools. We're going to talk about preparing a solder joint today, and we're going to demonstrate a number of the items that we have within the range in the preparation of a joint that needs to be soldered together. We're going to start with cutting the pipe. So the first product we have within the range we want to introduce is our telescopic pipe cutters and our close quarter pipe cutters. The telescopic range of product is operated by adjusting the cutting blade and knife here by rotating the adjustment knob here at the end. You want to fit the pipe up into the metal rollers that are located in the base of the cutter here. Two of the pipe cutters in the range also come with a fitted deburring tool, which I'll demonstrate that afterwards. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to adjust the telescopic pipe cutter to slice off the end of the pipe here. So you'll fit the pipe down against the two rollers here at the base, and then adjust the blade down so you're applying pressure onto the pipe. A quarter turn, rotate around, another quarter turn, rotate around, another quarter turn, rotate around, until you've sliced through the pipe. Don't over tighten, let the tool do the work. There we go. So that's removed the section of pipe. The next process will be to deburr the inside of the pipe here. On the back of the telescopic pipe slice there's a deburring tool. That can be used to remove that burr inside the pipe, giving you a clean surface finish. The next product in the range is the close quarter pipe cutter, designed for a specific diameter of pipe. So this particular one is for 3/4 inch diameter pipe. So you simply load it in and start cutting. There's no need for adjustment. The spring-loaded tension on the rollers will keep the cutting force, enabling you to cut the pipe. So within the Silverline range we have a number of different deburring tools. Internal brushes for cleaning up the inside of the pipe or the inside of the joint. Also external brushes for cleaning up the external element of the joint. We also offer, for a greater value, a 4-in-1 tool, both internal and external, for 3/4 and 1/2 inch built into one tool. So the external cleaning here enables you to clean the outside of the pipe. And then the internal tool allows you to clean the inside of the pipe itself. And also allows you to clean the inside of the fittings in preparation for soldering. We also have in the Silverline range an aluminium handled deburring tool. This is critical for removing any of the burr that might build up on the inside of the pipe once you've made those cuts. So we'll simply rotate around the inside, take off a small thin shaving of the copper that comes out, a small thin shaving of the copper, leaving a nice chamfered edge on the inside of the pipe.